Hello everyone, welcome to my shop. This is Lou from L.T'S Custom Woodworks. I've been having a lot of issues with the spraying in here because I don't have a proper booth and I don't have room in here for a permanent booth. So I needed something that I can set up quickly and move out of the way quickly. And I've looked a lot online on different videos that people have done. And I've noticed a lot of them usually use the poly where you roll up, or they'll make a stand, quickly put it together, and then take it apart. I didn't want to do that. I wanted something quick and fast. I've been spraying, I spray a lot of paints and pre-cat lacquers, and my whole shop is sprayed with white paint all over my TV. If you look on my videos, even though I take tarps and I cover all my equipment, the walls are getting hit, the tool board on the back is all getting hit. Spots everywhere. So I came up with a different solution, and I will tilt the camera in the direction here so you can see. I had set up a curtain track, and this is from Home Depot. Now I bought 3 of them. And it's hung on a curtain ceiling track. And it goes all the way around. And this is 12 feet by 10 feet. Or 9 and some change. And it goes all the way around. Okay, so what I purchased was 3 ceiling tracks through Amazon. I will throw a description below. Basically what this is I bought 2 of them that are 12 feet long, and then I bought another one that is 9 feet, 8 inches long. It comes with all the hardware, comes with the rollers, comes with all the screws, all the clips that you need to screw to the ceiling. And if you have drywall ceiling, it does come with all the inserts. This track is bendable. You can shape it any way you want. And this is what I like the best about this, because I'm basically going to make a round circle and then bring the curtains into the corner. Let's get started with mounting all the hardware. So here I'm going to screw in 3 clips on the ceiling, and then I'll screw the 4th one, but I will put the clip on the track itself, then position to where I want it, and then screw it in. So here I'm just going to drive the screw in, back the screw out, and then screw the clip into place. Now these are metal clips, but the track is nylon or PVC. And these are screwed in 12 inches apart, all the way around. Now overall cost, it was just under $200. It was $40 each for the 16 footers, and for the 9'8" it was $35. And then the curtain that I'm using is from Home Depot, but it's not curtain. It's what it is a painter's drop cloth. It's thin. It's almost like paper, but it's stronger. It's a strong fiber material. And those were $20 each. And those are Canadian prices. And then to get the line straight, I turned off the lights and I turned on my laser. And I just marked out where the clips were going. And then once I had them all marked out, I just turned the lights back on and screwed the clips into place. Now the way I'm doing this is I'm screwing 3 clips onto the ceiling, securing the track to it, or snapping it into place, screwing in another 3 more clips, and then securing the track into place. It was much easier to do it that way than keep going up and down the ladder for putting in the clips and then going back and hooking the track up and so on and so forth. Once I have the 1/16 foot up, I'm just going to slide all the rollers on. It just makes it easier. And then I will butt the next 16-foot track up to that one. Now here I'm going to turn the lights off because I can't see the laser line on the corner or where I've marked it. So I'm going to turn the lights off for a few seconds there, find out where the clips are going to go, and then I will turn the lights back on. Now that I have this 16 foot up, I'm going to slide the rollers on, and then I'm going to cut the remainder piece that I need to finish it off. And I will just cut that on the bandsaw. Now I have purchased these through Home Depot, and I bought 3 of them. And these are 9 feet by 12 feet. So I might have to trim the bottom about a foot or 2. But other than that, these 3 should be able to wrap around this whole thing. Now these tracks do come with the clips that hook onto the rollers. And basically I'm just poking them through the fabric and hanging them. I'm going to try this out. I don't think it's going to rip, but if it does, I'm just going to use the canvas O-rings and install those onto the tarp and just let it hang off that. But the fabric's pretty tough, so I don't think I'm going to have any issues with it. And once I'm done hanging them, I basically take pliers and just crimp the wire so it doesn't fall off the rollers. So I have it all finished, and it's pretty easy to set up and to put away. And I will turn the camera to the... As you can see, I have a bungee cord holding it in place. And I'll see if I can get a easier shot here. So I just removed the bungee cord. Pull these over. Slide this one over. And then as you see on the corners there, where it's got this opening, I can just use a clamp her down, and she's good to go. I do have a heater on this side that basically before I don't know if you can see that there. Before I pull this over, because it's fabric, I'm worried about it catching on fire, so what I'll just do is turn the heater off. I can leave it off for about 2 hours, and the temperature is still good in here. So when I pull this over, I'll turn the heater off, and then when I'm done spraying, I'll move the fabric out of the way and turn the heater back on. It's pretty clean, cut and dry. It's I think it'll work out okay. I'll show you the sealing. If you can see that. And it wraps all the way around. Very fast, very easy to tuck away and put away as I need it. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.